In this guide, we are going over all of the main items here in Bizarre Lineage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Items are a huge part of progression here in Bizarre Lineage. They let you roll stands, upgrade builds, craft gear, and so much more. But first things first, we have core items. You have the stand arrow, which lets you roll a stand, the stone mask, which will give you the vampire sub ability, the lucky arrow, which re-rolls your stand and gives it a random skin. And then of course you also have Dio's diary, which is required for the Poochie questline and drops from the Dio raid or legendary chest. Then you have essences. You have stat point essence, stand skin essence, stand stat essence, stand personality essence, and stand conjuration essence, all of which we have individual videos going over how to get. And most of these essences can be obtained from the Prestige Shop, Gang Shop, or Roblox Shop as well. Next, you have materials, which are used for crafting through Gupta. You can open up your inventory, you'll see all those materials in there, but it's stuff like fabric, leather, bronze fragments, silver fragments, gold fragments, sapphire, ruby bones, and opal. There's special materials like Dio's bone, the meteor fragments, cosmic radiation, and manga manuscripts, which are pretty good as well. But most of these materials are going to be found in common, rare, and legendary chest. Finally, you have your weapons as well. Some of these are like the stop sign, the shadow axe, the katana, hammer, luck and pluck. There is a lot on here, so just keep that in mind. To farm items faster, what I'd recommend doing is focusing on raids, missions, world events, and opening up as many chests as possible, since chests are the main source of items here in Bizarre Lineage. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.